In this video, we're going to see the theme builder that Xeon Builder is going to bring us with the version 2. Hi, my name is Stratos and I'm constantly producing video tutorials about WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Keep in mind that this is a beta version, so I'm not sure that all the features that I'm going to show you are going to work as it is in the final version, but this is what we have right now. So let's go to the front end first to see what we're going to do. This is the header, this is from the Astra theme that I have, and this is the footer. So let's go here, and here I have the theme builder. This is what I have now. This is the new feature. And as you can see, I have the templates. Here are all the templates, and here I can add new templates, and these are the components of the header, the body, and the footer. So here I have the default template. If I press here, I can see that I can duplicate the template, I can edit that, and once I, of course, add something, I can remove or set as default. Now, keep in mind that the default template doesn't have any settings that you can apply for the whole website or anything else. What they have built is the default template will take place and be shown if you don't have anything else that overrides it. So if you add another template and you set that to a specific page, then this specific page will take the header and the footer from the template, and everything else will go from the default template. We will see later on how it's going to work. So here I'm going to add where it says add header, and I'm going to click add new template. Once this is here, I can see that this says header, and now inside the header I have here a header that is assigned, and you can see that I can view it, I can edit that, and also I have some other settings. I can rename, edit, and delete. If I click here, I can also rename, edit, and remove, not delete. Delete is only from here, and I can also copy that and disable. So first of all, once you create something, you have to click save. After that, you can go, and if you want to rename it, I'm not going to because this is the main header, or maybe let's click here and call it main header. Okay, let's save that, and now I'm going to click here and edit that. Once it's open, I can click here, add two columns, so I have a section and two columns, and here I can add an image. Sorry, not this image, this is something of WordPress image. Let's go for image again. This one, and now I can edit that, and I can select the logo. Okay, and I can change, of course, the width and everything else. I'm not going to, and I click here, and I don't have at this moment a menu element to work with, but I have the navigation menu from WordPress. So I'm going to click here, edit that, and I'm going to select the main menu. Okay, so let's save that, and let's go back to the home page and refresh. And as you can see, now I have the header from the theme builder. So I'm going to close that, and let's go back to the theme builder. And now I'm going to add the new footer. Click here, add the new template, and then I'm going to save first. I'm going to rename it as main footer. Okay, save that. If you go to the footer, you can see that now it's assigned. If I hover, I can see that it turns into green, because once you create more components, you have to know what is where. And let's save that once again, and then edit that. And now I can go and create, let's go for 3 columns, and let's go for the section. I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to style that with a background color of black. Okay, and here let's put a text, and this text will say main footer. Edit, footer, and let's go into styling and make it white. Okay, let's save that, and let's refresh the home page. And now if I go here, I can see that this says main footer. So let's go back to the theme builder. And now I'm going to create a new template. I'm going to click here that says add new, and here is the title. I'm going to create a new template that it will name be it. It will name. I'm going to make it to name it contact. Sorry, contact, and I will have it applied only into the contact page. So as you can see, we have general, entire site, home page, all cert pages, 404, all single pages, all archive pages, visitor related, Xeon templates, media, pages, posts. So I'm going for specific pages and I'm going to click contact. Once you click that, you can also select something else and you can also exclude from some pages if you want. I'm going to click save now. And now I have another template that is only applied to the contact page. Everything else is brought from the default template. I'm going to click save, add a new header, and I can click now add a new template and I can begin from the start. I can create something from the start, but I also have a copy feature, so I can go into the main header and I can click here and I can select the copy element. Now once I select the copy element, I can go again here, click here, and I have two options, the paste component and paste as new. Paste component will mean that it will connect those two headers, and if I make one change, it will affect the header that is connected to. So I'm going to go paste connect, and now I have two headers, but those two are the same. They're connected. It's basically one header that's applied to both of those. And as you can see, I have only one main header here, and once I hover, I can see them, both of those turn into green. But for the footer, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste as new. So I have a new footer here, which is a copy of that, but now it's a separate element. So I'm going to rename that, and instead of main footer, I'm going for a contact footer. Okay, let's save that. And if I go to the footer, I will see that I have two footers, as you can see. But for the header, I have only one. So let's edit that. And now I'm going here and I'm going to type contact footer. Okay, save that. And now let's go back to the home page, and here I'm going to click where it says contact. So here I don't have any information inside here. I only have one element, and the header, the footer is right here and it says contact footer, but the home page has the footer that says main footer. If I want to create another template, then I have to go back to the theme builder and I can create a new template again by clicking add new and name it as I want. I can go for a single template, single post template, and I can select that I want on all single pages, or I can select all posts, save, and here I can go and start building. Now let's click save. I also have a drag and drop option, so keep in mind that which plugin is on the right has the main is the one that be overwritten, not overwritten, it will overwrite all the others. So first we have this header and footer, and after that we have this one, and the last one is the default template, which cannot be deleted, which cannot be removed. So the single template, let's put it here. It doesn't matter because it will not overwrite one or the other. There are two separate things. And here I can go and add a header, and I can add a new header, or I can go and copy that, and here I can paste the same component. And I want to change the body, so let's go here and let's go into the blog. So this is the blog, and I don't have anything for the blog right now, so let's go to the dashboard and let's go into the post, all posts, and let's view a post of that. Let's see one post. As you can, this is the post. I have the header here, I have the featured image, Reaper Mac as it says, and some text. So let's go here, and for the body I'm going to add a new template, single post template body. It takes the name that it has here, single post template, and then it adds the body word here. I'm going to save that and edit. So I'm going to create the main body for the posts. So I'm going to start by a featured image. So let's add first a section. Then we're going to need the featured image. So let's go into the section and let's add here an image. Now I don't have anything to add the featured image. I don't have that dynamic capability at this moment. So I'm going to edit that image and I'm going to select this one just to have that displayed. Let's go into the section and let's put that in the middle. Okay. And after that, I'm going to add another element. Let's go and add underneath that heading. Okay, this heading, let's edit that. I can click here, which is the dynamic content, and get the post title. After the heading, I'm going to click once again into the elements and grab the text. And for the text, I'm going to edit that. And once again, click here and select the post content. Okay, let's save that. And let's go into the post and refresh the page. And as you can see now, it grabbed the template. As you can see, the text is not looking great, but I have to go back to my text and I have to go and select the text here for the edit post content, and I have to enable the raw HTML. So once I done that and I save the template, I can go back here and refresh the page, and now I can see that everything is working okay. Of course, I don't have yet the featured image. I have the title and I have the content underneath. And if I want, I can go back to my theme builder and create another template, which will be for the archive template. I can create then my other templates for the WooCommerce and everything else. And also, let's see inside here, inside the builder, some other elements that we're going to have in the version 2. So let's click here, let's click plus, and let's see the elements, the new elements we have here. So we have Woo product price, we have social share, okay, this was previous. We have Woo add to cart, Woo breadcrumbs, Woo product description. We have Woo product meta and Woo ready. And if I add something, okay, I have an error because I don't have a WooCommerce installed, but I could add the add to cart button for WooCommerce. So I think that with version 2, they will also bring us the Woo customization, and I think it's great. So that was for the video. Again, this is a sneak peek. It's not a final version. It's a beta version, but I would like to show you what they have work at this moment, what the theme builder is looking. So thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.